Hello guys, today we are back. Yeah, and I am a bee, Captain Bee. Sorry if you hear noise because there is a bird in my house right now. Actually, there's a bird in my house right now. Yeah, so it's crazy. I hope it gets out. Hopefully it goes out by the time I upload this video. Wait, you know what? Let's go. Wait, look. There was literally a bird in my house. There was literally a bird in my house, everyone. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Get it. How was that supposed to help? Ah! Oh, it's right there! It's right there! You guys saw it, right? You guys saw it. Oh my gosh, bro. You guys saw it, right? Oh. Chaos! Oh my gosh! Ah! Bro! Bird! Get out! The door's open! Dad! How is that supposed to help? How is that supposed to help though? How is that supposed to help? Can you just tell me now?
Can you promise to be quiet? Okay, follow me.
Can you tell me now?
He's not going to touch you. They're going to go this way. I promise. I promise. Be quiet. You're fine. Here, I'll pick you up. You ready? Okay.
No, can you just tell me?
Okay. Very quiet. If you get the bird and you just put a blanket over him so they don't see anything, they won't know anything bad is happening. That's what we want to do. So
But when is that supposed to help?
So that's to tell him, hey, don't go there, because he's trying to go outside, right? So that looks like outside to him, but he doesn't know it's a window, right? So he's like, oh, I want to go outside. He can't do it. So we're trying to say, hey, don't go there. Come here. We're going to grab him in a towel and let him out outside.
Okay. Well, pizza. Okay. Well, peeps, I just learned something new. There's literally a bird in my house. Okay. This is not a Roblox video anymore. This is a real life video. No. Bro, my mom hates birds. Birdie, get out. Oh my gosh.
Let's watch the dogs while everybody gets the bird. All right, he's going to come through, Pablo. If he comes through, I need you to be quiet, okay? Promise? If a bird comes through, can we be quiet? Okay. What are you looking at?
I'm scared.
You're scared? Don't be scared.
Well, peeps, I'm scared. I'm recording.
You're recording?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys, I am scared.
But make sure even if you're scared. So I'm looking at the bird. Do you remember me? Kind of. Oh no, you're too old now. Bentley.
Oh my gosh, bro, guys, I am scared right now. I am scared.
Troy, come. Come here. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down.
Oh my gosh, dude. I'm gonna go. Bye.